Pink champagne on ice, and she said, we're all just prisoners here of our own device. And in the master's chambers, gathered for the feast.